Hi everybody, Driving with Dane here, recording the exterior view of the new EX30's active park assist. So you can see he turned the camera on, drove past the parking spot I found, which is right there. And now the car is actually going to execute the maneuver. So Michael is actually not touching the wheel in there at all. He is monitoring it though, as I'm not gonna lie, it does get a little close sometimes and is a little scary. You can see hands totally off the wheel. The car is going slow and steady, which I appreciate. Some of these earlier active park assists would go really quickly. Notice how it also automatically turned the blinker on. And you can hear the park sensors go off. The car's going to straighten itself a little bit. You can see Michael still doesn't have his hands on the wheel. And then here in a moment, it will straighten itself out. And then you'll get a notification inside the car that says maneuver completed. And actually you can see it right there. Car is finished. So overall, pretty cool. Looks pretty cool from both the inside and the outside. Definitely can be useful and leaps and bounds better than it used to be. So let me know if videos like this are helpful. And if you enjoyed, go ahead and like and subscribe. Driving with Dane.